Everyone, in front of me is VIVO Y27 and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. First of all, open new message or any other area where you've got access to keypad. So this is the panel, okay? This is the panel that we need to open. Now mark settings icon, click on languages, tap on plus to add new language, choose it either by scrolling down or in a search area, provide the language that you want to apply. And now click on done. And let me show you how it works with more than one language. So once you have two or more languages, the word icon would be here, so you can smoothly switch between languages. And once you have one language only, let me remove, for example, Chinese. This icon disappears and you've got access to one language only. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.